Banana muffin tops are best baked in a flat or shallow 4-inch muffin top pan. This creates a large surface area for a baked sugar crust with just the right amount of moist and tender banana bread inside. Adding a caramelized banana to bite into makes them hard to resist. To make 6, start by preparing your pan with butter and a dusting of flour, and scale the dry and wet ingredients separately. For the dry ingredients, mix 115 grams flour, 60 grams sugar, 2 grams baking powder, and a gram of salt, leaving a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then mash 90 grams of a ripe banana with a fork and mix with 2 eggs, 50 grams coconut milk, 35 grams maple syrup, then pour into the well. Next, mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients using less than 20 strokes. Then refrigerate the batter for up to 2 days or portion into the prepared pan and top with a slice of banana, sprinkled with a little brown sugar. Then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the banana muffin tops the same day they are baked with a dusting of vanilla icing sugar.